let me show you the material MM02, enter, and my material is this. Plant is B100. Let me select quality management view, continue. And in this inspection setup, 05 is activated. Post to inspection stock is selected. Even the automatic assignment is selected in this. Let's continue with this. Save it. Let me show you the plan also for this. QP02, enter. And this is my material and the plant is this. Press enter key. In the header level, the usage is 5 so that it should be automatically assigned to the lot if I'm creating a lot for good receipt. Lot of 05, it should be automatically assigned because we have already checked that automatic assignment in this. In the operation, control key QM01 is entered and in the inspection characteristic, one MIC is assigned. Let me show you the indicators, control indicator for this MIC. Characteristics attribute, sampling procedure is selected, summarized recording is there. Rest all settings are default only, and in the sampling procedure, it's fixed and manual, and the sample size will be 2. Okay, so let me save it. Let's try to create a lot for the same. The 05 lot. Let's go to Migo. Enter. Select good receipt against other. The material is this. Quantity I can enter, say 55. Enter. And where location I can tell as B100 and the storage location is 0001. Press enter key and check it once. Since it is a batched managed material, it is asking me to enter the manufacturing date for this material. If I enter say this, press enter key and then check it once again. So batch is created with this number. Okay, click on post. And the SLED has been calculated based on the data which is maintained in the material master. If I go to QA32, because I have already activated inspection type 05 in this, the lot has been triggered and the quantity was 55, which is in the release date. And if we go to the inspection lot, details like the plan is assigned with the usage 5, the sample size has been calculated, which is 2. If I want to correct my lot size, which is 55, and the actual lot quantity, if I want to make it say 54 instead of 55, correct my inspection lot quantity, I can change it from here also. Actual quantity, this, but I'm not changing it from here. Let's go back, and in this same report, we can enter one more field. So let me change the layout and I can enter the actual lot quantity. Let me select this, continue here only. So at present, the quantity is same only 55 for the lot quantity and same is 55 for the actual quantity. Let me select this lot number. Okay, it is 118. Let's go to the change mode of the inspection lot, which is QA02. Enter. You can find this actual quantity. Tooltip is coming, correct actual quantity. If you want to change the quantity, you can change it from here. Select the actual quantity and I'm making it say 54. Okay, press enter key. So I have changed my actual lot quantity from 55 to 54. Click on save. My QA32 report and Just now I have changed it from 55 to 54. If I refresh it, it should reflect the 54 quantity. My lot is still in the released and calculated state, but I want my sample size to be recalculated. Let me go to QA02, enter. And here you can find this cancel sample also. So if I select this, the sample size is already calculated as 2 and my quantity I have changed it from 55 to 54. Let me save it. At present, my system status is released. If I refresh it, now you can see it is in created state. If I select the same, the lot quantity, it is now showing me as 54. Actual quantity is again 54. And if we go to the inspection lot, inspection specification, the plan do exist and still the system is showing me as a created state. If I go to the sample, just now we have cancelled the sample size. That's why it is showing me as 0. Previously it was 2. So if I click on sample, then it will be again recalculated and now it is 2. Okay. So let's save it. And now if I refresh it, then it will be in the release state and I will be able to do the result recording for it. So let me select this, and if I go to the inspection lot, here the material document is there. If I click on this, total changes you have done, find the reference type also. If I select 1, which means inspection lot was created, the material document, if you double click on it, it will take you to the Migo transaction. The document number is this. Go back, and if I select C2, which when the quantity has been changed, and if you double click on the same document number, then it will show you how much quantity you have changed. That movement type is 502. So let me go back, save it. Let's go back, and if you would refresh it, so it is in release state. So select this and go for the result recording. Enter the value. Oh, it's a qualitative MIC. Let me accept this. Press enter key. So manual valuation is selected. Let me accept this and then save it. Now again, if you refresh it, it is inspected. Select this and go for the usage decision. You can see the SLED is coming based on the data which is maintained in the material master. Click on UD code. Let me accept it. Inspection stock, I can enter now the quantity. You can see instead of 55, it is showing me as 54 only. I'm accepting the whole quantity, and that's why I'm moving the stock to the unrestricted. Press enter key. The material document again. 1 and 2. Just now we saw the details. Let me save this. Lot number 118. Let me go back, select all the lot and execute it. 118, which is this one. The quantity 54. If I go to the usage decision, so let me go to the extras in material document. This time one more material document number has been created. 3 means that the material document for the usage decision transfer posting. So if you double click on this, and it will show you that we have moved the stock movement type 321 from quality to the unrestricted, right? So once we move the stock from quality to restricted or unrestricted. So QA02 is a transaction which it is only for one lot. Here we also get the option to enter the defects, result recording, usage decision. Even you can correct the quantity if you have entered the lot quantity something else and you want to correct it later on, then you can make the changes from here. And if you want that the sample size which was calculated should be recalculated, then you can select the cancel sample. Once you click on this cancel sample option, then the lot will again go to the created state. The sample size should be recalculated. 32 report. These are the lots which are present, and if I click on change the layout of my report and let me enter. If I search actual quantity, here you will find this actual quantity. Let me add this actual quantity also in this report. Continue, and this actual quantity field adjacent to the lot quantity. This is the lot which is in the release date. Let me show you the details of this inspection lot. The quantity is 16 and the sample size is 5 for red. With the prefix 5, plan has been assigned and it is in the release date. Either you can use QA02 enter, which can also be used to cancel the sample determination. We can use one more transaction /n QAC3. If you press enter, here you can see cancel sample determination. It is again you can edit the inspection lot. Let me enter the inspection lot number, enter, and at present it is in release date. Okay, dynamic selection is there on this lot. Sample size it is showing me as 5. Let me save this. QAC3. This is another transaction which can be used to cancel the sample size. Our QA32 report, at present it is in release date. If I refresh it, it is now in the created state. If we go to the inspection lot again, in the inspection specification, the plan do exist, okay, but the sample size is now showing as 0. System status changes from release to created because we have cancelled the sample. Now, if I click on sample again, then it will recalculate the sample size by editing the inspection lot. You can see the status it is showing me as created. And then once you save it again, now it will be in the release date. Once